What's the meaning of bistro? Bistro. Bistro.
Bistro. Bistro. A bistro is a small, casual restaurant that typically serves simple, hearty fare. The word bistro originated in France and comes from the Russian word bystro, meaning quickly. Traditionally, bistros were places where working-class people could go to grab a quick meal or drink, but today they are popular among all social classes. Bistros often have a cozy, intimate feel and offer a menu with classic French dishes like steak frites, croque-monsieurs, and escargots. They may also serve other European or international cuisine and often have a selection of wines and beers. Overall, a bistro is a relaxed and comfortable place to enjoy good food and drinks.